My name is Dennis Nash of Control Station. Control Station has collaborated with Rockwell Automation since 2009 and is pleased to be a valued member of their new Technology Partner Program. Together, we provide software-based solutions that empower process manufacturers to transform their existing data into actionable intelligence in pursuit of optimal plant-wide performance. With award-winning technologies and a growing team of process control experts, our solutions deliver quantifiable improvements in efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. Already, 1/2 of the manufacturers listed in the Fortune 500 rely on Control Station to optimize performance of their business-critical regulatory control systems. To learn more, find us on the partner locator or at controlstation.com.